Welcome everybody. It was a beautiful Sunday. Looking at the range Jackson Hole, we're using our webcam. Look at plenty of blue sky, but then we got a lot of those puffy clouds to form, and there were a couple showers showing up even on radar, and we see some of those clouds drifting through downtown. Now it's going to be a nice week. We will have storms returning, but we're going to dry out first for the next day and a half or so, maybe 2 days. And then storms returning late on Tuesday. So we see the clouds drifting from the north and heading down to the south. And I mentioned a couple radar returns. Step off the screen. Well, they're right there, north of Green River. A couple radar dots showing up and a few down in the south and mainly into Colorado. So clearing overnight tonight with the sky conditions, and we're going to begin a nice warm up. So it was cooler out here on our Sunday, but some upper 70s, 80s return to the area starting tomorrow and lasting for the foreseeable future. Storms also return beginning Tuesday night, most of the day Tuesday dry. And when they do arrive, it's going to be sort of hit or miss, widely scattered or sparse you could use. It won't be everyone, won't be covered, but there are chances of storms. Tuesday night through about Saturday morning with a summer-like weather pattern setting up as we go into the weekend. Looking back at highs over there, well, I guess it's 6 days. Since we don't have today's, we're in the 60s for the most part, and we were at 79 on Saturday. Got a little spike in temps. For our Monday, things quiet down substantially. Fairly clear, calm, and warmer. So beautiful day in store for us. Again, same thing with Tuesday. The only fly in the ointment will be a chance for a few showers and storms. Over the next 7 days, the Weather Prediction Center is not optimistic with much rainfall. Over parts of Nebraska and into Colorado, maybe there they could get a quarter of an inch. I mean, we're getting down there, a tenth of an inch in the Green Scotts Bluff. Sydney, maybe that's a quarter of an inch. Torrington, and then Wheatland, less than that even. Same for us. We're looking at 42 degrees out the door here on our Monday morning, 42 in Douglas and 42 in Lusk. 46 in Casper, 40 in Medicine Bow, Scotts Bluff. You're going to be starting the morning off at around 45. So beautiful start to the day. And I mean, does it get much nicer than this? Not sure it does. Hey, maybe you have a graduation party to go to and you set it up on Monday or whatever. It's going to be pretty nice for you and should have decent conditions. 79 in Scotts Bluff, 76 in Medicine Bow and Rollins, and 72 in Laramie. I just know a lot of the graduation parties are going on right now. We're pretty booked out with them. 82 in Cheyenne for a high Tuesday. See that shower icon. And so it's kind of limited here Tuesday night pretty much. And then a better chance Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for all. Picking up maybe that less than a quarter of an inch of rain, all things said and done. And then we dry out Saturday afternoon and Sunday looks spectacular.